Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Today, let's try to repair this small Bluetooth speaker. It's a Insmy model. It looks rather cool and small and pretty good quality. I have it for exactly 18 months. Just out of warranty. The warranty is 18 months. For several months, sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't. And then eventually it finally quit. So if we plug in, the light is on, and then it goes off. Alright. We can turn it on as soon as we unplug it. It's gone. Alright. So that's what was the final stage. Earlier, sometimes when you unplug it works, but finally now when you unplug it, it totally died. So as if there is no battery inside. So I'm not sure what's going on. I did some initial investigation. There's no screws whatsoever exposed on the outside. But I find out that this cover pretty soft, so maybe we can pry it off and hopefully certain screws will expose inside. So today is just a totally new investigation that I have no idea whether it works. Ooh, that's a pretty good sign. I'm not sure if I need another hand, but another screwdriver. Oh, okay, great. Okay. You have to be careful when you pry out anything, though. First of all, you don't want to get cut. Okay, and there's a piece of paper, maybe something inside. Okay, it does appear to come up entirely. Okay, good. And this one, I'm not going to mess up with it. Have a direction. So let's pull it aside. Okay, all the screws are here, and yes, I always have the magnetic holder with me, so I will not lose any screws. Okay, a small screwdriver that will become handy. Obviously, we want to take all those 6 screws out and see what's going on inside. Two. And like I said, I don't know what's going on. Okay, I'm guessing the battery, the wires get disconnected somehow, came off, or whatever, because it really happened as if there's no battery entirely inside. I don't think the battery is dead, because if the battery is dead, it usually, they don't totally die, right? It's usually still have a little bit left. So we'll see. Let's look. Last ones, we'll see. Well, this one kind of come out already, huh? Okay, I guess we're gonna pry out that way again. Ooh, perfect. Okay, that looks like the battery, the speaker. What? I hope you can see it. The connection is not even kinetic at all. Okay, I guess I want to take the battery out. Try to adjust it a little bit. It's very small inside though, but looks like that I don't really need to take those off to plug it in. I can just hopefully, you see that? Okay, I probably can just hopefully use a screwdriver. Okay, yep, it goes in. It does go in. Doesn't really click, so that might be why it come off, and it come out slowly. Because of that, I'm trying to put some electrical tape onto it, hopefully to make it better. I'm not sure how would be the best way to do, because the space is rather limited. But this is an interesting finding, and I assume this should fix it. And electrical tape is non-conductive by definition, so obviously can kind of tweak that. I'm not sure this will help anything. I don't think so. Oh well, maybe forget it. But it's very easy to take it out anyhow, so probably not really needed in that case. Oh wow, that's kind of interesting. Okay, that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. The battery, I don't know what's the best way to put it in. It kind of appears to be a direction. So let's see. Probably out of battery anyhow. So let me try to put the charging cable on and try to see. Now you see that the light is steadily on, but that's a bad idea. Let's go and turn it on. Ooh, okay. Alright. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, now supposedly it should connect to my phone, so let me play some video. You know what? Why don't I play my old video and see how it works? If the speaker actually works.
Hi, this is Insmy.
Hey, that's me.
Today, I'm
yes,
going to show you how
it works.
to replace.
So since it works, let's put everything back. Like I said, I was trying to put some electrical tape to make it more stable, but that's tough. Okay, I guess that should be good enough. I don't know who designed this. It's obviously not the best idea to do that, but it works. Now let's put it back. You see this tool looks like so it should go over here, and the screws will go on top of each other, right? So I have such an easy fix, I guess. So screws back, and it looks like simple enough, right? Okay, this piece. Now let's go on top of that. Try to make it as good as possible. And now let's put this on right back. Hey, it's good. Oh, it's still actually on. Let's turn it off. So that's off. That's on. And let me play my video again to see whether it works.
The touchpad on the KitchenAid
great.
dishwasher. Now.
So anyhow, that's it. I think I fixed it. Okay. So I don't know if you have this Bluetooth speaker, but I guess most of them are very similar. So if you have a similar symptom, then that might be a fix for you. Just take it apart and check the connection. I mean, this one is so easy. The connection is off. Okay. Yeah. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.